How to fix application hang detected error in Fortnite. This tutorial will guide you through the process of fixing the application hang detected error in Fortnite. This issue can arise from various factors such as system conflicts, outdated drivers, or corrupt game files. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve the error, ensuring a smoother gaming experience. So let's get started. So all you have to do is check the Windows update to see if your Windows is up to date, because occasionally Fortnite is not the problem but also Windows. If your Fortnite game still hangs, just reinstall the Fortnite app to make sure that your Fortnite is good as new. If you do the process and still hang, you should upgrade your specs for Fortnite. You can say that you can still play your Fortnite game from last time until now. Expect that the Fortnite game is getting better, especially graphics and more, since Fortnite still runs until now. Maybe at least check the Fortnite requirements to play the game before you buy your own PC or laptop, so that you are aware and prepared for installing the game. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the application hang detected error in Fortnite. Key actions include updating your graphic drivers, verifying game files, disabling unnecessary background applications, adjusting in-game settings, and ensuring your system is updated. If the problem persists after these steps, consider reaching out to Fortnite support for further assistance. Happy gaming!